Hello students, so as you all know that we are done with the chapter number 2 of geography. We are done with the reading of the chapter. So today we are going to begin with the short question answers of the same chapter. All of you must take out your books, notebooks, pens and start writing the chapter name and the chapter heading in your fair notebooks. Just look at your screens and write it down in the same manner. Chapter number 2, geography. In the next line, write down the chapter name, land, water, soil, natural vegetation and wildlife. After that, leave a line children and write down the first heading, short question answers. After leaving a line, start writing question number 1 all of you. And you all are very well aware how to do the things. You have to listen to the things and note it down in your fair notebooks. For the spellings which you don't know, you can look on your screens and note down the correct spelling. And those who will be left behind, those who will not be able to write down with the pace of the video, should pause the video and complete their work. Write down question number 1. Why is land considered as an important resource? Why is land considered as an important resource? Start writing the answer. Land is considered as an important resource because land is considered as an important resource because of the uses it is put to by the human beings, such as, put a hyphen and write down point number 1. It is used to build homes. It is used to build homes, transportation lines and other requirements. It is used to build homes, transportation lines and other requirements. Full stop. Point number 2. Agriculture, mining, industrial and economic activities develop on land. Agriculture, mining, industrial and economic activities develop on land. Point number 3. Land also provides us with many scenic spots. Full stop. After this, write down question number 2. Explain the factors responsible for formation of soil. Explain the factors responsible for the formation of soil. Full stop. Write down the answer. The factors are, put a hyphen, write down point number 1 and just look at your screens. The way it is written here, in the same manner, you will put a heading, you will underline it and you will start writing the explanation from the next line. So your first heading is parent rock. Right under this, it determines the color, texture, chemical properties, mineral content and permeability as soil forming material is obtained by the weathering of parent rock. As the soil forming material is obtained by the weathering of parent rock. Point number 2. The heading is climate. Right under this, it includes temperature and rainfall, which influences It includes temperature and rainfall, which influences the rate of weathering of rocks and humus formation. Heading number 3, that means point number 3 is relief. Right under it, altitude and slopes determines the accumulation of soil, full stop. Steep slopes encourages more soil erosion. Steep slopes encourages more soil erosion as compared to gentle slopes, full stop. Heading number 4, that is time. Right under it, it determines the thickness of soil profile. After this, leave a line and write down question number 3. Question number 3 says, enlist the challenges in the way of water conservation. Enlist the challenges in the way of water conservation. Write down the answer. The challenges are point number 1. The same manner you have done in the previous question, here also you will put the heading, underline it, and then write down the explanation. Point number 1 is water scarcity. Underline it and start writing below it. When the usage increases more than the availability, of water resource, full stop. Point number 2, overutilization. Point number 2, overutilization. Right under this, while the demand of water is increasing, comma, the resources are fixed, full stop. It puts a major strain on existing resources, full stop. Point number 3, qualitative decline. Underline and start writing. Sewage, industrial chemicals are increasingly contaminating. Industrial chemicals are increasingly contaminating the water resources. Question number 4. Write a short note on sites. See on the screen how you have to write down sites. Everything will come in capital letters. Write a short note on sites. Start writing the answer. The Convention on International Trade of Endangered Species. First letter of every word will be capital. The Convention on International Trade of Endangered Species, in bracket write down CITES, is an international agreement between government, which aims to ensure that no international trade of enlisted wild animals and plants, which aims to ensure that there is no international trade of enlisted wild animals and plants, full stop. Roughly 5,000 animal species and 28,000 plant species are protected under this. So children, these were your short question answers. You all have to complete it in your fair notebooks, and along with it you also have to start learning your answers.